In this tutorial, you will learn how to install a WordPress theme using the file manager. This process allows you to customize your website's appearance by selecting and activating a new theme through your WordPress dashboard. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once you are on the home page, locate the site section. This can typically be found in the main menu at the top of the page. Clicking on Sites will direct you to a list of your WordPress sites where you can manage your themes. Next, select the specific site for which you want to install a new theme. After choosing your site, look for the theme option in the settings or customization menu. This section will allow you to explore various themes available for your site. After accessing the theme section, you will see a selection of themes that you can choose from. Browse through the available options and find a theme that suits your preferences. Keep in mind that some themes may have different features, so be sure to check their details before making a selection. Once you have chosen a theme, click on the Activate button associated with that theme. This action will apply the new theme to your selected site. You may see a loading indicator as the theme is being activated, and once completed, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. After activation, you should select the specific site you want to update with the new theme. A message will confirm that you have selected the site and the theme is now active. Ensure that everything appears as expected. If you encounter any issues, you may need to revisit the theme selection process. This concludes the tutorial on installing a WordPress theme using the file manager. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.